Hey guys, welcome back. Inside the box we have something that might replace our Luna version 3 disappointment. Boom. So let's get started. Come over and help. Box. That's the charger. Dude, it comes like fully.
In this box, we have a, what the heck? Oh, we got pedals right here. We got a toolkit right here. We got, what's this? It's unidentified. And we got some just instruction manuals, pretty boring stuff, so high speed. Look at that. Look at the size of that. Like, here's my hand.
That is huge.
Look at that. My hand covers the entire width of the tire.
That's like a old school motorcycle.
Anyway, let's keep going.
Today we're going to do a review of the RadRover. Alright, so far I've been very impressed. I mean, look at the size of this thing. It's huge. I don't think the camera really gives a good scale of how big this vehicle is, but it's just incredible. Battery's huge, it lasts a long time. We went on a ride around really hilly terrain and it had half a battery left. It was a 10-mile ride around a lake and it was just beautiful. So I'm very impressed. It's a buy, and we're just gonna show you the features. We'll go for a little ride, have some fun.
Woo! Let's do it.